How to merge two LinkedIn accounts. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you merge two LinkedIn's account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application LinkedIn with your account. Alright, so after you open the LinkedIn with your account, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner. Alright, so from here tap on settings just at the bottom left corner. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to go the option account preference. Alright, so from the section scroll down at the bottom and go with the sections like account management. So here you get the options like merge account. So in my case, I'm not getting the option like on my region basis. So in your case, you might be finding options just at the upper side of this Hibernate account. And after you tap on that merge account option, you can easily enter your email ID and password. And from there, you'll have to just confirm with your email ID and password, and after you confirm to merge your two LinkedIn accounts, it will automatically replace or delete the one LinkedIn or old LinkedIn account to new ones. So in that way you can merge two LinkedIn accounts from that option. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.